In this video, we're going to go over how to divide three fractions. So if I were to give you the question 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 5 divided by 1 over 2, and I told you to solve it, how would you do that? Well, I want you to remember the keep, change, flip rule. We're going to keep the first fraction the same, so we can rewrite it as 2 over 3. We're going to then change the remaining division signs to multiplication, and we're going to flip the remaining fractions. So it'll be 2 over 3 times 5 over 4 instead of 4 over 5 times 2 over 1 instead of 1 over 2. And so now our new question is 2 over 3 times 5 over 4 times 2 over 1. And now we can simply multiply the numerators together and then multiply the denominators together. 2 times 5 is 10, times 2 is equal to 20. And then 3 times 4 is 12, times 1 is equal to 12. And then we can divide the top and bottom by 2, and that'll give us 10 over 6. And then we can divide it by another 2, and that'll give us 5 over 3, which is an improper fraction, and that's our final answer. So the answer to the original problem is 5 over 3. Now let's try one more problem, and feel free to pause the video and try it on your own, and then we can go over it together. But now let's try 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6. Now pause the video and try it on your own, but when you come back, you'll see that the process remains the exact same. We're going to keep, change, and then flip. So we're going to keep the first fraction the same. It's going to stay 3 over 4. And then we're going to change all the division signs to multiplication, and we're just going to flip the remaining fractions. So 3 over 4 times 3 over 2 instead of 2 over 3 times 6 over 5 instead of 5 over 6. And now that we've gotten to this point, we can multiply the numerators together and then multiply the denominators together. And now 3 times 3 is equal to 9, which times 6 is equal to 54. And then for the denominator, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, which times 5 is equal to 40. So we get 54 over 40, which simplified is equal to 27 over 20 when we divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. And so the answer to the original question is 27 over 20, which once again is an improper fraction. So a key tip, remember after rewriting, it's just multiplication. So you can cross cancel to make it easier, but I didn't do that in this video just for a simpler demonstration. And a common mistake students will make is they'll forget to flip every fraction after the division sign. You don't just flip one, you have to flip every single fraction. I hope this video helped. Thank you.